Is your bulk WhatsApp marketing campaign hitting a wall of undelivered messages in Wati app? Let's troubleshoot why your messages might be failing and how to fix it fast. First, let's check your Wati account status. Is your account active and properly connected to WhatsApp Business API? A disconnected account is the most common culprit for undelivered messages. Look for a green check mark indicating inactive connection. If it's red, troubleshoot the connection immediately. Next, review the numbers you are sending messages to. Are they valid WhatsApp numbers? Invalid numbers, landlines, or numbers that haven't accepted WhatsApp's terms will fail. Double-check your contact list for errors before sending, and ensure you have explicit permission to message these contacts. Message templates are key. WhatsApp requires pre-approved message templates for outbound communication. Ensure your templates are approved and haven't been revoked. Rejection due to promotional content, unclear value proposition, or policy violations is frequent. Tailor your message to be more conversational and focused on customer service. Have you hit your sending limits? WhatsApp Business API has daily sending limits that vary based on your account tier. Exceeding these limits will cause message failures. Gradually increase your sending volume over time to build a positive reputation and potentially increase your tier. Monitor your quality rating. WhatsApp assigns a quality rating based on user feedback. Low quality ratings indicate potential spam. Aim for a high quality score by crafting relevant and engaging messages that recipients find valuable. By carefully addressing these potential roadblocks, Euro account connection, number validity, template approval, sending limits, and quality rating Euro, you can significantly improve your bulk WhatsApp marketing success with Wati. Now, go out there and connect with your audience. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.